The true price of luxury goes far beyond what you imagine. Behind rare oils, there is a silent sacrifice that few dare to show. Get ready to discover what really happens in the production of this treasure. But beware, the truth may surprise you. Have you ever wondered what really goes on behind the bottle of luxury aloe vera oil? It's much more than you think. There's a complex industrial process and a huge human effort behind this precious product. Every drop carries a story of dedication, sweat, and technology. Get ready to dive into this little-known world and discover the true cost of the luxury you consume. Believe me, this journey goes far beyond what you imagine. When people think about skincare products, most only see the final result, radiant skin or silky hair. But few realize that the path to this pure, rare oil is full of details, challenges, and meticulous work. It's like unveiling a secret kept under lock and key, where every step is crucial to ensure the product's quality and exclusivity. That's exactly what we're about to reveal. Imagine a place where nature meets industry, and human effort blends with cutting-edge technology to create something unique. That's the essence of rare aloe vera oil, a true treasure few get to see up close. If you think it's just another product on the shelf, get ready to change your mind. What comes next will open your eyes to a surprising and meaningful reality. 2. Context and promise. Rare aloe vera oil isn't just another product on the market. It represents the pinnacle of care and exclusivity in luxury skin care. Its rarity is directly linked to the complexity of its production process and the exceptional quality it delivers. It's a true symbol of sophistication, meant for those who seek real results and value every detail in their beauty routine. Understanding this context is key to appreciating what's behind every bottle. In this video, we commit to showing, with full transparency, every step of the industrial production of this exclusive oil. From harvesting the giant leaves to the final packaging, we'll reveal what few have access to, the hidden cost of luxury. This journey is not just technical but deeply human, showing the effort and dedication involved in delivering a product that truly makes a difference. Get ready for a revealing experience. As you follow this process, you'll realize that the aloe vera oil reaching you is the result of a complex chain where every detail matters. The promise here is to deliver deep knowledge, going beyond the surface, so you understand the true value of this product. And this is just the first part of a story that will surprise you at every step. Raw material presentation, harvesting. It all starts with harvesting, a crucial moment that defines the quality of rare aloe vera oil. Experienced workers walk through the fields, manually selecting the most robust and healthy leaves. This care is not just routine, but an art that requires knowledge and sensitivity to ensure only the best are chosen. After all, the oil's purity depends directly on this initial step. Harvesting is done with attention to detail, respecting the right time for leaf maturation to preserve their natural properties. It's like picking fruit at its peak perfection, ensuring every drop of oil contains the maximum benefits. For those who value luxury skincare, understanding this dedication is essential to recognizing the product's true quality. Moreover, this stage involves considerable physical effort, often performed under challenging conditions. Workers face the sun, the weight of the leaves, and the pressure to maintain excellence. This connection between man and nature is the first link in a chain that transforms simple leaves into a precious oil ready to revolutionize your care routine. 4. Initial preparation, factory handling. When the leaves arrive at the factory, the care continues with the same intensity as harvesting. They go through a rigorous sorting process, where only the best are selected to advance. This step is essential to maintain the oil's purity and quality, avoiding contamination or loss of essential properties. Cleaning is done with modern equipment, but the human touch remains indispensable. Skilled technicians monitor every detail, ensuring the handling preserves aloe vera's natural characteristics. It's a delicate balance between technology and experience that makes all the difference in the final result. Additionally, initial preparation involves carefully removing parts that won't be used, ensuring the extracted oil is as pure as possible. This meticulous process is what sets apart a common product from a rare and exclusive oil, ready to proceed to the next production stages. 5. Industrial extraction process. The oil extraction in the factory is a true spectacle of technology and precision. Modern machines work in harmony to extract the maximum nutrients from aloe vera leaves, preserving purity and efficacy. Every step is closely monitored to ensure the oil retains its therapeutic properties, essential for luxury skincare. Despite automation, the human touch remains fundamental. Specialized technicians oversee the process, adjusting parameters and conducting constant tests to guarantee product quality. This combination of advanced technology and human expertise makes the oil so exclusive and effective. It's important to understand that this extraction is not just a mechanical process, but an art requiring deep knowledge of the plant and its characteristics. The result is a pure, nutrient-rich oil ready to transform the care routine of those seeking the best for their skin. 6. Preparation and mixing. After extraction, the oil undergoes a careful filtration process to remove impurities and ensure maximum purity. This step is essential for the final product to meet luxury market standards without losing any of aloe vera's beneficial properties. It's like polishing a gem, where every detail matters for the final shine. In some cases, the oil is enriched with natural ingredients like flaxseed oil, enhancing its effects on skin and body. This mixture is done with precision, respecting proportions and characteristics to create a balanced and effective product. It's a combination that unites tradition and innovation, bringing the best of both worlds. Quality tests are rigorous and constant, ensuring each batch meets the highest standards. This dedication reflects the brand's commitment to delivering an oil that not only impresses with exclusivity, but truly makes a difference in consumers' care routines. 7. Bottling and packaging. Bottling rare aloe vera oil is a stage that combines functionality and sophistication. Each bottle is carefully filled to preserve the product's integrity, preventing any contact with external agents that could compromise its quality. It's as if every drop is protected by an invisible armor, ensuring the consumer receives the oil in its purest form. Beyond protection, the packaging is designed to convey the product's exclusivity. Luxurious bottles, elegant design, and refined details reflect the value and dedication invested in every production step. This presentation is not just aesthetic, but an extension of the premium experience the oil offers. Labeling is also done with care, highlighting essential information and reinforcing product authenticity. All this contributes to creating an emotional connection with the consumer, who knows they are acquiring something unique and special, the result of a meticulous and passionate process. 8. Benefits of the oil. Rare aloe vera oil is a true elixir for skin and body, offering deep hydration that goes beyond the surface. Its nutrient-rich composition acts directly on the skin's deeper layers, promoting revitalization and elasticity. For those seeking premium care, this oil is an indispensable ally. Besides hydration, the oil has anti-aging properties that help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, providing a younger, healthier appearance. Its healing action is also recognized, aiding in the recovery of minor lesions and irritations, making it ideal for sensitive and delicate skin. Continuous use of this oil brings visible and lasting results, transforming skincare routines into moments of care and luxury. It's as if each application is a renewal ritual, where the skin thanks you with glow, softness, and vitality. 9. How to use the oil. To fully enjoy the benefits of rare aloe vera oil, proper application is essential. It's recommended to apply a few drops directly to clean skin, gently massaging in circular motions to stimulate absorption. This simple practice can be easily incorporated into daily routines, whether morning or night. Besides skin, the oil can also be used on hair, helping to hydrate and strengthen strands. A practical tip is to apply the oil to the ends or scalp, leaving it on for a few minutes before washing. This versatility makes the product even more valuable for those seeking comprehensive care. To preserve the oil, it's important to store it in a cool, dark place, preventing oxidation and maintaining its properties. Small care like this ensures the product remains effective longer, providing a premium experience with every use. Now that you know the entire process behind this rare and luxurious aloe vera oil, it's clear that every step is done with dedication and excellence to deliver a unique product. This exclusivity reflects not only in quality, but also in the care you deserve in your skincare routine. Value the best for your skin. If you enjoyed discovering the secrets and effort involved in producing this oil, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming exclusive content. Your participation is essential for us to keep bringing valuable information and amazing products to you. And finally, we want to know, which part of this process caught your attention the most? Leave your comment and share your experiences with natural and luxury products. Together, we'll build a community that values care and quality in every detail.